Ideally, a good room temperature. If you're in a cold shop, you're going to fight it. If you're in a hot shop, it's 100 degrees outside and 110 inside, you're going to fight it. Ideal is to control your room temperature. Controlling your heat. Heat guns, infrared lights, booth heater, whatever you want to use, just make sure you get it to the recommended range. So where does that infrared light come into play? I was in South Dakota yesterday. It was -8 when I walked out of the hotel, right? I don't even think people should live there, but they've got to fix cars. You pull that in, that car is going to hold cold for hours. You don't want to wait hours to start working. Roll your infrared over and warm the panel up you're going to do. Let that heat get into the panel and work it out, and then control your environment. Additionally, we don't really talk about it here, hot weather, right? You're a Florida guy, crazy hot. Control your temperature in the summer. If you are stuck and it's super hot, I've taken cold, wet towels and sucked the heat out of the panel, just like we're using that heater to suck the cold out, right? Get some cold towels to suck it out. Get a fan. I've had rails where we just set a fan up and let it blow across the rail to help dissipate that heat. Either end, we're doing the same thing and controlling our environment and coming back down to get into that 75 to 85 range.